Today, we're going to have a lot of fun. I'm going to introduce a free tool to you that I guarantee you're going to like. You've heard a lot about artificial intelligence, AI. I'm going to show you ChatGPT, which is a AI free platform for you. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's go over and share my screen. Here we go. And I'm going to go in, this is Google Chrome, but you can do it on anything. ChatGPT. It's going to come up, said, what can I help you with? You don't have to hit one of these down here, but you can just ask it anything. So I'm going to say, make a plan. And then I pre-populated a plan to create a retirement plan for me. I have $1 million in investments. I get 5% return. I'm 65. My Social Security is 67,000, or at 67 is $3,000 a month. Sorry. I expect to live to 85. I have no debt, no mortgage. My expenses are 6,000 a month. Inflation's 3%. Can I retire today? What is my Monte Carlo score? Put in whatever you want. I thought this would be fun. Let's see what it comes up with. Let's see how fast that was? Let's break that down. Here's your financial snapshot. So everything I gave them. Can you retire at 65? You would be withdrawing from your investments the first 2 years before Social Security kicks in. Once Social Security kicks in, that's 3,000 of your 6,000 a month expenses. So you're going to be withdrawing 3,000 a month or 36,000 a year out of your investments. Let's see, what did I go? Monte Carlo score. This is a statistical method to see how your money holds up. A Monte Carlo of 90% is high confidence. Here's your financial analysis. Retirement. Yes, you can retire at 65 with high confidence. Your Monte Carlo score. Somewhere this said 1,000 simulations, but 89.24. Not sure you need the 2 decimal points for that. You can retire safely today with a high probability. Social Security significantly reduces your needs. While there is some market risk, your portfolio has a solid chance of sustaining you. Would you like to explore adjustments like delaying Social Security? Let's put, what if I delay Social Security until 70? Let's see what this brings up. Analyzing. This is all new to me. Okay, this line of questioning. Impact of delaying. Key benefits of delaying. Your increase is 24%. Final thoughts. You can retire at 65 either way. It slightly improves your odds. Delaying to 70, so might as well take it early. So I thought it'd just show this ChatGPT feature. I don't think it's great for coming up with a retirement plan, but you can type it in all kinds of questions. So like, let's just go way off topic. Who was Barack Obama? And look what pops out. Barack Obama, politician, attorney, 44th president, notable achievements, post-presidency, what's he up to? Let's do something else crazy. Let's type in which nation has the most coastline? And it comes up, it's Canada. With that many miles, 125,000 miles, why does Canada have the largest coastline? Just amazing. My study group is studying Jimmy Carter this year or this month. So let's put who, I'll just leave that error alone. Who is Jimmy Carter? American quick facts. You know, look at that. Just list out everything, just all the highlights, post legacy. How about give me a 1,000-word essay on Jimmy Carter. This is how I can prepare for my discussion group. Here's Jimmy Carter, a life of service, early military service, early political career, presidency, key achievements and policies. This is just amazing. Hopefully you're impressed by this. I use this probably 3 or 4 times a week just to start, get some initial thoughts on how to do something or to understand something. If somebody throws out a fact at you, you don't think it's true, just type it into ChatGPT. You ask for a 100-word essay, 500-word essay. I asked for a 1,000-word essay. Super cool. If you got an investment question, you got a retirement question, good place to start, ChatGPT. And now you're in the artificial intelligence world. What do you think? What do you think? It's Joe out.